You know that one burger sauce that instantly makes the whole burger taste better? Today we're making that sauce, this Cajun-style burger sauce inspired by bold Cajun flavors. It's creamy, lightly spicy, and honestly, the kind of sauce that disappears fast. The full recipe link is in the description below. Start by adding 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard into a bowl to create the creamy, tangy base of the sauce. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to bring in those bold, Cajun-inspired flavors. Now pour in 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to brighten everything up with a little heat and tang. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper to round everything out with balance and depth. Now whisk everything together until the sauce turns smooth, creamy, and evenly blended. If sauces like this make your meals better, hit the like button, share this recipe with someone who loves burgers, and follow SpiceRally for more homemade flavor-packed recipes, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. And your Cajun-style burger sauce is ready. This recipe makes about 2/3 cup of sauce, perfect for burgers, fries, wraps, and many more. For the best flavor, let it chill in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Try this on your next burger night and see how quickly it becomes your go-to sauce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.